The initial thought behind the ISD is to help people to unleash their creativity. Because I would say like a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years ago, if you would like to create these type of videos, you have to add a lot of money, right? You could use technology like CGI, like, the studios in Hollywood and such, but it will cost you a lot of money. So in that sense, Gen AI lowered the bar of businesses and professionals across the globe to benefit from high quality content with a low budget. And in that sense, it almost like make this technology available for everyone. So everyone can benefit out of that. Now, in addition to that, because of the flexibility of the platform, you can create whatever you want. We know how to identify human face features. So you can use your own photorealistic image, taking a photo of yourself, or to generate using other Gen AI tools or within our platform, something that is more like fictional. You as a superhero, whatever, make it more fun. And we see people in some cases choose photorealistic photo, and in some cases, they prefer to use a generated image. And once you define, your hero, your figure, you can play with all the rest of the features. So you can, using prompts, right? You can define, its clothes, the general vibe of the image, right? And play with that. So we see people, going very, very creative, making themselves like bots, changing their gender, using different type of backgrounds, whatever. It's so fun, and I'm always amazed see how people are super, super creative and play with that. It's joyful. So we see a lot of content creators using our platform, but in the same time, we see many businesses and enterprises using the platform for, I would say, like business related or business oriented outputs and processes and benefit out of that. So it's quite diverse. It's up to the human imagination.